In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of resolving stuttering and low FPS issues in Horizon Forbidden West Complete Edition on PC. Firstly, ensure your controller is connected before launching the game, as this has proven effective for many players. Next, disable Steam input by right-clicking on the game, selecting Properties, navigating to the Controller tab, and disabling Steam input. If disabling Steam input doesn't work, some players have found success by enabling it instead. For a more stable connection, use a wired connection for your controller by connecting it via USB cable. Alternatively, if you prefer a wireless connection, you can disconnect the cable after launching the game. Adjust the Gamepad speaker volume to 0% by accessing Settings, navigating to Gamepad Settings, and lowering the speaker volume. Disable DLSS frame generation by accessing Graphics Settings, going to Display Settings, and turning off DLSS frame generation. Experiment with VSync settings and NVIDIA Reflex low latency settings to optimize performance. Consider lowering the graphics preset from very high to high or medium to improve performance. Perform a clean installation of your graphics driver by visiting the respective website, NVIDIA or AMD, selecting your product, series, and graphic card, downloading the latest driver, and selecting a custom installation with clean installation checked. For laptop users with dual graphic cards, ensure the game runs on the dedicated graphic card by accessing Graphics Settings, browsing to the game installation folder, adding the game, and selecting high performance options. Update Windows to the latest version through Windows Update to ensure compatibility with the game. Increase virtual memory by accessing Advanced System Settings, changing paging file settings, selecting the drive where the game is installed, and adjusting the custom size based on your total RAM. Finally, if none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the game to an SSD for improved performance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve stuttering and low FPS issues in Horizon Forbidden West Complete Edition on PC.